Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will teach you how to recover deleted videos, posts, or reels from your Instagram account quickly if you ever delete them mistakenly. For this, simply open your Instagram account. Open your grid. To show you a demo, I am deleting my one reel. Now click on this three lines icon. Go to your activity. Now select recently deleted here. We have separate icons for posts, videos, and reels that we recently deleted. Now go to the three dotted icon and select restore. You have successfully restored this deleted reel. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to get more helpful information like this.